Right, we're on step 7, and step 7 we need some more components. So we need this guy, which is A5. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, A5 down here. Then we need this guy, which is A10. We need 2 of these, which are the B4s. 2 of these, which are the B14s. And we need this guy. I think this is this is A9. Yeah, and you have to set these the right way round. So you have to look carefully at the drawing. We want it on the long wheelbase. If you're using a chassis for a body that's on a slightly shorter one, you would turn these around. But we want them on the long wheelbase setting. So I think this is correct. We'll soon find out. So I've taken it, this little bit here that juts out on the B4 is here. That's how I've taken that. And this one at the bottom, this is kind of straight that side and bent this side. So hopefully the idea is from the back of the car it pauses backwards. Okay, so let's see if we can get this put together. So we've got our bottom arm that we need to get in place. So again, trying to keep this so we've got the longest wheelbase. Make sure we get this right. Don't forget, we've got to put our differential in as well. It's all greased up, as you can see. So that sits in there, and you kind of see I've tried to tip the chassis upwards so I can show you this on film, because it does really need to be more like up here, but I'll do my best. Then we got the this top one here, this component, which is the A5, that sits up on here like that. This isn't going to be fiddly much. Right, now we've got to put this part, which is the sorry, I've actually covered this. This is, I think, is the A9 part. That's it. Yeah, the A9 part. So we've got to line up the holes. There we are. I think we're in there. Let's bring the chassis up so I can see. Yes, I think we're in. Okay. So now that we've got the chassis in place, get my little wipe on my fingers, a little bit of grease. I'm going to turn the chassis round because I'm right-handed. Now we've got to put this one on, which is the A10 piece, and that goes that way round, as you can see, and that's going to fit on there. So now we need to collect our MA1s, which are the 3x15s, and the MA1s go in these two outer holes, and the one in the middle, which is the MA2, which is the 12mm one. So let's see if we can get the one in the middle. Quite tough. There we are. That is now done. Step 7 complete. Now on step 8. And step 8, we need these A6 components, which are these two. We need the C2s, which are these two. We need some of our bearings, which we'll get out of our bearing tray, which is here. And this must be the most simple of steps, is take one of your bearings, pop that down through, and pop that in. I can't believe that that is actually a step. I thought they would put that in with another, but hey, Tamiya way. So just pop that in. There we go. There we are. And that is step 8 completed. Okay, we're now on step 9, and step 9, we need this B6 component. So this is the rear skid plate that goes on the back of the chassis. We need our chassis, which is turned upside down. We need 3 of our MA3s, our 3x10mm self-tapping screws, and we need 2 of the MA4s, which are the 3x12mm, and they're the countersunk screws. And it's a case of popping this in, and your main self-tapping screws, the 3x10s, go through here, so they go collect through here, and the 2 countersink ones here. So it's a case of pop that into place, and yeah, the slots there, I'm going to collect those. There we are, step 9 completed.